What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Plays Cakes back in the video, and today we are going to be doing a restoration on a pair of Air Jordan 6 Carmines that I copped for, I think it was, I want to say, no, I copped these ones for, actually not these ones, I copped these for $15 because I copped a pair of blue cement 3s for $20 and these for $15. So these are going to need a repaint, a clean, definitely a repaint, and I'm going to try to, get some of the creases out and the yellowing in the toe cap, and I may go ahead and try to, unyellow the outsoles also, or the isosoles too. But let's get into this restoration. Let's go. Alright, so now that we went ahead and cleaned the shoe's looking very nice now. Nubuck is definitely nice and brightened up now. It's not dusty or dirty no more. We cleaned the bottoms, just in case you want to go ahead and ice the soles. The bottoms are already clean. Now what we have to do is go ahead and go around the shoe with where we want to paint with acetone and strip the midsole. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to get started into painting we're going to paint the uppers first, then the midsole. So let's go. Alright y'all, so we went ahead and finished this repaint on the uppers. As you can see, there's no more black dark scuff spots or nothing like that, or scratches along the white. And we went ahead and fixed that midsole up. Now the midsole is brand new, repainted. And one other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash this mesh again. I'm gonna clean this mesh again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some new white laces in, because I definitely do have some all white laces I can put in these, so that's what I'm putting them. And then I'm gonna go outside, well not tonight, but tomorrow morning I'm gonna go outside, put some finisher on these, and then we're gonna be done with them. So yeah. Alright y'all, so that's going to be it for this restoration on these Air Jordan 6 Carmines. We went ahead and did a quick, nice little restoration. I went ahead and did the finisher just off camera because I always did it on camera, nothing real crazy. And yeah, so Air Jordan 6, Retro 6 Carmine, Air Jordan 6 restoration. Nice and simple. Like I said, I gotta keep doing these restorations, but hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.